Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this MINI Countryman 2.0 Coupe S exclusive ALL4. Now this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is also ULEZ compliant and is finished in midnight black metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch pair-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the midnight black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. This vehicle has an electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the carbon black mini lounge leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 29,910 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. And you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a MINI Countryman 2.0 Coupe S exclusive ALL4 that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.